Good morning everybody, and this is your S&P 500 setups for today. So a bit of a pullback, missed the two levels that I would have expected us to target, and we basically formed a pin bar, but a pin bar in the middle of nowhere. So next logical target is pretty much in this zone, and that obviously retests the flag break. Although that flag break has been 1,225 points. I think that flag break has been, yeah, so that target is done. So the measured move obviously is from this tail here to the top, and then from this pin bar tail to wherever that target was. So that move has been done. So obviously we are now sort of just floundering to the downside. If we just check the weekly, still a weekly green bar. I suspect we're probably going to close with a green bar, but this daily is a bit of a range bar. Now, I do have a trend line in. It's a bit, I won't say messy, but not that strong when you look at it on the daily. It does have some relevance when we look at it on the 8th hour. So you can see 1, 2 touches at the moment. So this zone is of importance. When we start drilling down through the time frames, you can see we actually just hovering here in the middle of nowhere. And if we just, I'm not going to put all the levels in, but there's a level at 54.76 and obviously at 54.93. But I personally think we are just trying to get through this 5,500, which is a big round number, so it's quite a big effort. Pay attention to your oscillators. They have separated. You've got diversions. This is an upward trend. You're looking for an opportunity to buy. Is it going to be in this area where we are now? Or are we just going to get another leg down to test here? So 50-50 call, but I think the bulls are going to take control. This was really driven by the tech stocks that had a bit of a slide, and then you can see number of buyers coming in here seeing value at this 54.76 area. So I'm of two minds. The one mind is I'm not so sure I'm prepared for a 600-point stop loss, but that would be one of the logical areas to get in. Is right where we are now. There's a bit of chaos to the left, and it's going to be chaotic, but you're going to have a quite wide stop loss. And the other safer bet would be, you look to the left, you can see there's a lot of structure here, and that would be a break above 54.85. So somehow my guts is just telling me we're not going to be falling too far. If we do fall further, it's going to be held up by 54.50, and then we've also got this trend line which would hold us up. So, you know, technically speaking, I would be looking at a 400-point stop loss. It's a bit rich, so probably wiser just to wait to see what's going to form here. But you can see that's its trend line of yesterday. There it is there. And you can see we've kind of broken that trend line at the moment. So I suspect we're probably going to be recapturing 54.85, and we're going to be testing 5,500 again. I think, and the bulls are going to want to close above there on the weekly. There's the level that they're going to want to close above. So this to me is a fairly decent setup. It's pretty much a one-to-one setup, but I think if the bulls do target 5,500, they're going to be targeting it with a vengeance. In other words, I would expect it to come back up above it like it was at the start of yesterday. So I suppose the moral of the story is expect some volatility here, some wide range volatility. But if we do drop to the downside, I'm still not interested in shorts. I'll be looking for an area of support, which will be anything between 54 56 area and 54.50 area, and I'd be looking for an opportunity to buy in there. Hope it helps, and we'll catch up with you tomorrow morning. Cheers for now.